Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve mathematics by R.D. Sharma, chapter 1, exercise 1.1, real numbers, question 11. So if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. So the question is, so that the square of an odd positive integer can be of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 for some integer q. So we will let odd positive integer is equals to n. So odd positive integer form, what will be its form? Those whose remainder will be odd. So 6m plus 1 or 6m plus 3 or 6m plus 5. 6m plus 2 and 6m plus 4 will be not in odd positive integer because its remainder is even. So moving towards first case, we will take square as it is given in question. So n square is equals to 6m plus 1 whole square. So we will square a plus b whole square. So we will square a square is equals to 6 square is 36 m square plus 2 into 6 12 m plus 1. So we will take common, so 6m square plus 2m plus 1. So we will get q is equals to 6m square plus 2m. So we can write 6q plus 1. So it is given in question 6q plus 1 and 6q plus 3. We need only in that form. So n square is equals to 6m plus 3 whole square. So 6 square 36 m square plus 2 into 6 12 into 3 36m plus 9. So we will take common, so 6m square plus 6m. So this is greater than 6, so 6 plus 3. So plus 1 and plus 3. So we will take q is equals to 6m square plus 6m plus 1. So we are getting 6q plus 3. So moving towards next step, n square is equals to 6m plus 5 whole square. We will get 36m square plus 2 into 6 12 into 5 60m plus 25. So it is greater than 6, so 24 plus 1. So 6 will be common, so 6m square plus 10m plus 4 plus 1. So we will get q is equals to 6m square plus 10m plus 4. So we will get 6q plus 1. So from this we can conclude that hence square of odd positive integer can be of form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 for integer q. That's all for this question. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. And I will try to solve your doubt as soon as possible. And if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. That's all for this question. Thank you.